Hello everyone, this is Brent Salvadero from IT. I'm here to present to you Office 365. Up until this point, we've had our school staff using First Class and our admin staff using Outlook. The time has now come when we're going to be all on one system, and the system's called Office 365. Office 365 is a completely online tool that allows you to access Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, Excel. It gives you 1 terabyte of file storage, 50 gigabytes of email capacity, and it also has the ability to create team sites and group sites for collaboration. So to get started, we can open up any internet browser. We can use Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, Safari. If you're using Internet Explorer, make sure you're using Internet Explorer 9 or higher. There's some computers within the school board that are a little bit older. They're running XP. If that's the case, you will receive an error, page cannot be displayed. Just use another browser and you should be fine. In the future, on all board machines, we will provide a link that will take you right to Office 365. So if you're at school or at home, you can access Office 365 by typing in mysite.hwcdsb.ca. This is the address that you'll want to remember. Click Enter, and you'll see the sign-in page. Continue by typing in your username and append @hwcdsb.ca. This will be your new email. So for school staff that has been using First Class, we've been using @fc.hwcdsb.ca. That's no longer needed. It's just @hwcdsb.ca. Emails that are sent to your old address will be automatically forwarded to this new address. Just be sure that there's enough room in your First Class mailbox to forward the emails. If it's full, you'll notice that it will stop forwarding emails. Continue by typing in your computer password. This is a password that you might have recently updated, and click Sign In. So here we are. This is MySite's main page. You'll notice at the very top are some basic apps that Office 365 offers. You're also able to access them from this top blue bar on the left. If I click on this, you'll also see the applications here. This main page has been tailored to you specifically. So if you're a principal, you'll see some useful links below, and if you're a teacher, you will find some different links below. So I'm just going to take you through some of the features on this top bar here to get you started. If I click on Outlook, you'll notice that Outlook manages all of your emails. On the left-hand side here, you can see this is my inbox. I can see my sent items. I can click on More, and this will show my deleted items, my archive items, and so forth. I can click back. The middle row shows all of your emails. You can sort them different ways. If I go up at the top here, there's your sort function. I can click on here, and I can sort by date, from, flag, size, and so forth. You can also order them. I prefer to have my newest on top. This is also a default. And conversations are set to on. Conversations is new within Office 365. The default is set to on, and what that does is it threads your emails. So emails that have an arrow next to it, if I click on that arrow, you'll see that it groups emails by the subject. So if the subject is the same, it will put them all into one container. So you can see Carolyn has sent some Omer's pension information a few times, and they all get grouped within one. If you prefer to have your emails as completely separate, you can go to Conversations by Date and turn Conversations off. So you can see Carolyn's emails are now separated. On the very right is where all the emails appear. From here you can reply all, and forward. These 3 dots here you'll see throughout the system. All that means is there's a few more options. So if I click on that, you can see you can open up in a separate window or print and other options as well. To compose a new email, at the very top left-hand corner of the screen, there's a new button. If I click on that, so this is pretty self-explanatory. In the to box, I can type out a name. If the name doesn't automatically come up, I can click Search Contacts and Directory, and all staff will appear, and I can choose from there. Type in a subject and complete it by typing in your email. And I can click Send. Keep in mind that there's more options here within the 3 buttons, and within here you can set importance or even have message options to request a delivery receipt or a read receipt. Okay, moving on to the next app, I'm going to go all the way to the left, click on this button, and click Calendar. The calendar works in the way that we would expect. You just click on the date that you would like to create the event on. You can put in event title, location, attendees, and further down there's some more boxes for more information. When you click Save, it'll then go inside your calendar and it will be color-coded. Okay, moving on to People. People is our board directory, and all staff will be listed here. If I click on Directory, I can search by all users, all distribution lists, contacts, and so forth. The middle column will show me the users if I prefer to search through them this way, or I can search all users up top on the left here. If I click on a user, it will give me a little bit more information on how to send an email, what their profile is, or maybe their extension. From here, I'm also able to send an email, send a calendar invite, or even add to my personal contacts. You'll notice that this user has uploaded a profile picture. Profile pictures will display up at the top right-hand corner. This is my profile picture that I've uploaded. We're asking users to post up a picture themselves and to keep it professional. We can't force you to post a personal picture. However, at the very least, post something that does represent you so that when we are going through the staff list, it's not just a bunch of silhouette pictures. Let's move on to OneDrive. Like I said before, Office 365 offers 1 terabyte of space, and this is where we can utilize that space. Right now, we are utilizing the W drive or the R drive for our work files. This is now an alternative location for you to store your files. The advantage to OneDrive is that files can be accessed anywhere, at home, on your mobile device, wherever you'd like that has an internet connection. Also, files that are stored to OneDrive open up within Office 365. So if I am storing an Excel document, I can go ahead and click on it, and you can see that it does open up in Excel without having Excel pre-installed on this computer. To upload files to OneDrive, you can click on the Upload button. This will allow you to upload files one by one. If you would like